Best of 3 finals. Ready for tip off na tayo. Montalvo winning that tip. Kaso out of bounds doon si Kent Montalvo and the ball will go to Marilao Gems.
At ito na nga po kung sinasabi namin, hindi po siya makakita.
Raimundo, Marvin to EJ, kontra AJ, Joaquin back to Harvey. Great communication on the defense side so far. Attempted kick out, Marvin to Harvey. Late close out of Wico. Bang! First basket of the game. 3 from Harvey Raimundo. Great defense there from Sulong Kalumpit. Talagang nalaglag lang yung tira dito ni Harvey Raimundo. Great communication inside the court. Contesting that shot of Harvey. Now Chano Cruz against Harvey Raimundo. Bumubulusok si Chano. Kicks it out to AJ. Wico against Harvey. Now Marvin will defend Rueda. Montalvo will attempt a 3. Wala, bitin. Na rebound secured by CJ Javier. On the run dito si Harvey Raimundo. Pasa sa kalaban. Habol ni EJ. Wico against AJ. Basket sir. AJ Wico for 2. 10K FB Live viewers. EJ Cruz to Joaquin Nazareno. Now Marvin gets his hands on the leather. Marvin sa gitna. Javier leaning shot in and out. Fight for the board, out of bounds. Bola ng Kalumpit. Shout sa Tita Tess Celestino from Kuya Al Paraiso. AJ bumping Javier. Tries to finish. First personal foul dito kay CJ Javier ng Marilao Gems. Shoutout sa boss ko, Ma'am Vina Bianca Melancio. Gabi na ma'am, matulog ka na. Biro lang boss. 2 free throws for AJ Wico. First one, bitin para dito kay Wico. Last throws, good for number 5. 55 AJ Wico, 1 out of 2. Ties the game at 3. Handang-handa mga taga-Kalumpit dito sa laban na to kontra Marilao Gems. May tao pa ba sa Kalumpit? Number 20, EJ Cruz. Nadulas ng bahaga si Chano. Pinukol ni Harvey, wala. Marvin inside. Dog shot. Marvin Raimundo. Whistle blown by our referee. Foul against Sulong Kalumpit. It was against number 55, AJ Wico. First personal foul. Uy, Robert Bordomanja. Kamusta ka na, tropa? Mula sa San Jose del Monte. Free throws for Marvin. First one good for number 31. 2 out of 2 for Marvin Raimundo. Mark Hill Belmonte kontra dito kay EJ Cruz. Pinilit sumagasa ni Mark Hill. Forcing that shot, no good. EJ secures the rebound. Cruz of Marilao. Hard screen of Javier. Kicking it out. Harvey corner. Bang! Second 3 of the game para kay Harvey Raimundo, ang Mr. Consistent ng Marilao Gems. AJ tries to answer. Nakasagot si AJ Wico. Nagwawala ang Kalumpit. Marvin trailing 3. No good. Fight for the rebound. Mark Belmonte secures the board. Takbuhan ng Kalumpit. Tight pass. Wico. No good. Ang finish. Wala. Marvin on the outlet. Harvey on the other end. Raimundo finishes against Kent Montalvo. Grabe yung energy ng magkamil ng kumunan dito sa ating first quarter. Great trap set. Kent Montalvo attacks the lane. And it all is there for number 20. Kent Montalvo ng Sulong Kalumpit. 8 is our score. First quarter pa lang tayo. Harvey against Christian Cruz. Corner to Marvin, long two on its way. Laglag yan para kay Marvin. Raimundo for 2. Wico, AJ, he'll try another one. No good this time. Javier. 12,000 FB Live viewers. Pass underneath. Check na check ni Wico. One man to defend this breaking 3-on-1 action. Belmonte to Bordu. Mark Hill Belmonte on that 3-on-1 break. 12 to 10. Grabe yung energy dito sa KB Gymnasium. Laban ng Marilao kontra Sulong Kalumpit. Nazareno to Marvin. Bitin. Rebounded by number 31. Offensive board. Tapon sa ilalim. EJ Cross to finish against Mark Hill Belmonte and Kent Montalvo. Five minutes and 30 seconds left to play. Belmonte. Bang! Mark Hill Belmonte from deep. So good there from Harvey Raimundo. Out of bounds doon si Belmonte. Bola magbabalik for Marilao. Ganda ng laban. Napakaganda ng laban mga tropa. Big shoutouts are 13K FB Live viewers ang nagbogo in. And also Denver Degamo. Javier and Cruz is out. Foul kontra dito kay James Maliwat, number 11. First personal foul para kay James Maliwat. Kakapasok pa lang dito ni James. Nakakakuha agad ng personal foul for Sulong Kalumpit. Harvey Raimundo. Baseline inbound. Number 24. Tight pass underneath. Ball will stay for Marilao. Nazareno turns around. Wala. Baroga is in. Hit Baroga. Pumasok na para dito sa Sulong Kalumpit. Mark Hill against Anagbogu. Corner for Wico. Nazareno. Sinagasahan ni Wico. Wala yung tira ni AJ. Mark Anagbogu will push against AJ Wico. Under 5 minutes left to play. Marvin Raimundo creating some separation against Maliwat. Great defense there from number 11. Forcing that miss. Ito na naman si AJ. Out of bounds. Again, big shoutouts to sa governor daw ng Batangas, si Tates Celestino, sabi ni Kuya Al Paraiso. After that miss of James, this is Harvey. Para kay Kuya Raimundo. Marvin, wala. Rebound secured by Mark Hill Belmonte. Jersey number 13 with the cross and the move is there. Mark Hill Belmonte close by the defense of Mark Anagbogu, resulting to a wide open shot. Raimundo against Belmonte. Jumper secured by Mr. Raimundo. Ano kang height mo? Sabi ni Harvey. 1-point game for Marilao Gem. 16 to 15. Under 4 minutes left to play. Pump fake. Baroga will take. Misses. Wico. Pagkakas there for AJ Wico. Denver to Mark Anagbogu. Inside. Huli ka na Belmonte, but there is Denver Degamo for that putback play. Intense na intense yung laban natin dito. Sa KB Gymnasium ng Game 1 ng ating finals ng Sulong Kalumpit at Marilao Gems. Maliwat inside the paint. Lifts it up. Foul called against jersey number 4, Denver Degamo. Second team foul on Marilao. James Maliwat will shoot the free throws. Ties the game. James Maliwat, first attempt good. One out of two. We are tied at 18 sa ating unang yugto. Christian Bautista, hindi yung singer to. Ito yung basketball player ng Marilao. Harvey Raimundo, number 24, against AJ Wico. Harvey creating some space, firing up a three, wala. Belmonte to Chano. Ang Sonic ng Kalumpit! In and out! Baroga, nice to tip that ball back in. Bitin na bitin yung tira ni Kit. Ito si Raimundo, jumper against Belmonte. High arcing shot, no good there from Marvin Raimundo. Again, we are still tied at 18. Ang nagbogo picking up Mark Hill Belmonte. The answer screen ni Baroga, resulted to a wide open 3, wala. Rebounded by Marvin against 3. Sa lubog ng ika-4, now a 4-on-1 situation. Ang nagbogo dire-diretso. Basket secured by Marilao Gems. Trying to trap Mr. Marvin Raimundo, resulting to a 4-on-1 situation on the other end. Libre. AJ kicks it out. Corner 3 on its way. Wala. Marvin secures the board. Marvin. Denver ahead. Too strong on that pass from Marvin Raimundo. Shoutout sa'yo, Christian May Enriquez. Pati na rin sa inaanak ko, Jacob Enriquez. 2 minutes, 15 seconds left to play. Kent Montalvo magbabalik. Nilabas na dito si Mr. Mark Belmonte ng Sulong Kalumpit. James Maliwat kontra Marvin Raimundo. There's the spin of Kent switching against Christian Bautista. Long three from James Maliwat. Hands in his face. Still buries the three against the defense of Christian Bautista. Lamang ang Kalumpit. Ang nagbogo baseline. Stop and bump. Wala. Fight for the rebound. Nazareno. Out of bounds. Hell ball yung tawag ng ating referee. One-point game for Sulong Kalumpit. Ito na naman si James. Kinukuha niya talaga yung switch dito na Christian. Now drives. Montalvo forcing that shot. Lucky bounce for Kent Montalvo. An off-balance shot from Kent. Fishing for foul. Hindi pinituhan pero nanaglag pa rin yung tiro dito ni Kent Montalvo. Ang nagbogu. Pass to Harvey. Phoenix against Baroga. Bounce pass para kay Kuya Marvin for 2. Parang automatic yung tira dito ni Marvin ng Marilao Gems. Jasper Garcia, Amir Mateo papasok. Kio Baroga also in, replacing AJ Wico. A minute and 2 seconds left to play for this first quarter. Crowd check tayo, 77,334 nandito sa KB Gymnasium. Ang nagbogo. Jasper, ball fake, step back, long 2. Wala yung tira ni Jasper, but there is Joaquin Nazareno to Amir Mateo. Quick to connect with Mateo. Doon si Nazareno ng Marilao. G. Ford Francisco, dinidepensa dito sa Chano Cruz. Reaching against Chano. Hard screen of Baroga, but a foul called against number 88, G. Ford Francisco. 41.9 seconds left to play. 18 seconds on their shot clock. Lagka po yata Sir Efraim Madato. Patapos na po yung first quarter natin. Ganina pa po natin inumpisahan. Number 10, Christian, one-footer. Wala. Kaya nga Sir Archie Padilla, nagsisisigaw na ako dito. 10 seconds separating our game clock and shot clock. G4 Francisco. Hanap kay Amir. Mateo to Anagbogu. What a move from Joaquin Nazareno! Quick on that spin. Shout out sa'yo, Moonlight. 15 seconds left to play. Parang washing machine lang doon. Si Mr. Nazareno. Final 10 seconds on this first quarter. A 3-point game for Marilao. James Maliwat with 7 seconds to play. Baroga. Palobo. Wala. Tapikan ng bola. Montalvo to Chano to beat the buzzer. End of our first quarter. 3-point lead for the defending champs, Marilao Gems. 26-23 at the end of that first quarter. Aga mo umuwi, tropa. G4 Francisco to Jasper. There's Baroga to defend Garcia. Anagbogu from deep. Wala. Great backshot from Mark Hill Belmonte. Securing that rebound for Sulong Kalumpit. James Maliwat picked up by Joaquin Nazareno. Corner. Driving. Kio Baroga finishes and one. Foul against Joaquin Nazareno.
Basket counts. Foul on number 99, Nazareno. That is his first team foul for Marilao Gems.
Kio Baroga ties the game. Jasper to G Ford. Cross court pass to Garcia. Now connecting with Anagbogu. Extra pass to G Ford. Draw pass. Amir. Sinalubong ng apat. Kanya pa rin yung rebound. 5 seconds to shoot. Anagbogu tries from deep. Wala. Joaquin could not secure the board. There's Kent Montalvo on the run. Kent behind the back. Naipit sa depensa dito ni number 88. Pasa kay Kio Baroga. Number 18, number 26. Pass to Kent Montalvo. Off balance take again from Kent Montalvo. Five-point swing. Garcia. Bang! Jasper from deep. Balik sa Marilao ang Kalamangan. 29-28. G4 defending Mr. Maliwat. Montalvo. Diretso si Kent. Fishing for foul. Nakakakuha naman ng contact against Marilao Gems. Foul kontra Joaquin Nazareno, number 99. Pangalawa ni Joaquin. Two free throws for Kent Montalvo of Sulong Kalumpit. Raimundo Brothers is back together with Javier. Nilabas dito si Joaquin Nazareno, G4 Francisco, and Mark Anagbogu. First one, good to tie the game for Kent Montalvo. Last throw for the lead. 2 out of 2 for Kent Montalvo. Balik sa Kalumpit ang Kalamangan dito sa ating first half. Great hands from Kio Baroga. Mark Hill Belmonte iniwat kay Maliwat. Tapon kay Baroga para kay Kuya. Wala yung tira ni Kit Baroga. Javier was fouled. Shoutouts to Allen Iver Santa Ana from Eunice Kamwa. Happy anniversary. Yun, tamis. Shoutouts Boss Roro Kapili. Nasa Barangay San Juan, Balagtas, Bulacan. Ayun ang Kuya Dante ko. Bigla-biglang sumusulpot. Ichi, kung nasaan ka man, hinahanap ka nila pasyon. Magpakita ka na raw, Ichi. Shoutouts, boss James Cyrus de Guzman, ang Justin Bieber ng Bulacan. Shoutouts, Ebots ng Balagtas, walang deposito kay Ate Charmaine. Shoutout, Bote, nagja-jogging sa hating gabi. Harvey, ball fake. From the bang! Raimundo hits again. Walang kakaba-kaba from Harvey Raimundo. Dalawa kalamangan ng Marilao. Maliwat answers from way beyond the arc. James Maliwat showing his range in this game. Harvey Raimundo para kay Kuya, again to Harvey. Raimundo deflected. Javier wide open, si EJ. No good tongkel. Takbo ni James Maliwat. Hinahabol ng pilit ni Marvin. Tapon kay Kio Baroga sa ilalim. Out of bounds. Ball will stay for Sulong Kalumpit. Baroga and EJ Cruz. Kit Baroga and EJ Cruz naglalambingan dito sa pintura. Belmonte against Mateo Amir ng Marilao. Foul on that hand check. No count yung basket doon ni Mark Hill Belmonte. Inbound natin sa loob, no? Punong-puno tayo dito sa KB Gymnasium. 10 seconds to shoot for James. Maliwat, step back. Inside, too strong. Hindi nasa po dito ni Kit Baroga yung pasa na yun ni James Maliwat. Taalas naman ng mata. Ang ganda ng court vision ni James. Hindi nga lang nasa po ni Kit. Marvin to EJ. Drives against Baroga. EJ Cruz for 2. Change favor again tayo sa ating first half. Baroga with a fake. Swipe, swatted, stolen by EJ Cruz. Great hands. Harvey rewarded. After that great defensive stop. Timeout call by Coach Macoy Fajardo. 6 minutes and 38 seconds left to play. Up by 3 ulit ang kalamangan ng Marilao Gems. 36-33. Shoutouts to Christopher Soreliano. Ang lakas mo sa pulutan, tropa. Hinay-hinay lang habang pumupukol si Chano. Wala. Hindi na-secure ni Mateo yung rebound na yon. Belmonte against Amir at the post. Quick to turn. Uy, hard fall on EJ Cruz. Foul against jersey number 20, EJ Cruz. Free throws for Mark Belmonte. Mark Hill will shoot 2 free throws for Sulong Kalumpit. 6 na minuto, 26 na segundo. Laglag yung una. Sarap naman. 2 for 2 for Mark Hill Belmonte. Sarap ng buhay ng ate Ara Aquino-Laces ko. Painom-inom na lang ng tubig habang nanonood ng ACBL Makatakaw Season 3. Ito si Harvey with 10 seconds to shoot. Bounce pass to Marvin. Inside. Blessing lang from number 31. Marvin Raimundo gets to his spot. Drills the jumper. James Maliwat. No good that time from number 11. Belmonte could not save the ball. Shoutouts to Ma'am Almira Aquino. Wico magbabalik. AJ will replace Kent Montalvo of Sulong Kalumpit. Yan, big shoutouts to James Cyrus de Guzman, Boss James, ang Justin Bieber ng Bulacan. Raimundo to EJ, locked and loaded, too strong. Keith Baroga to secure the rebound. Now James Maliwat against Harvey. Chano, quick to turn, fires a deuce. Basket is there from Christian Cruz. 1 point game again for Marilao Gems. Dikdikan tong laban na to. EJ Cruz, pump fake against Baroga. He'll try to muscle his way. Huli ka ni Baroga. Huli ka ulit. Back-to-back denials from Mr. Keith Baroga. Degamo against Belmonte. Foul kontra dito kay Denver Degamo. Jersey number 4.
Number 4. Second personal foul. Penalty.
Shoutout sa number 1 love team ng St. Francis Subdivision, Borol 2nd, Balagtas, Bulacan. Ebot Love Christie, sabi ni Emon Estabilio. Again, Almira Aquino, happy viewing sa'yo. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Mark Hill ties the game. Now Coach Kian Karatay called Denise Bernardo. Talo man sa Makata si Jasper, panalo naman daw sa'yo. Nagbabalik na tayo para sa ating bakbakan. Ito na ulit yung Raimundo brothers. Now Belmonte defending Harvey Raimundo. Harvey with a head fake, bumping Belmonte. Fade away jumper bala. Maliwat to Supersonic Cruz. Chano for 2. Lead pass, alanganin yung pasa ni Joaquin. He'll defend this 4-on-1 action. Christian back-to-back points. 4-point lead now for Sulong Kalumpit. Inside is Denver Degamo. Fouled by Mark Belmonte. Parang nakainom ng gasolina si Christian Cruz ng Sulong Kalumpit after that timeout. Kahit mahalang diesel, dire-diretso pa rin dito si Chano Cruz. First one good for Denver Degamo. Two out of 2 there from Denver Degamo of Marilao. Dalawa para sa Sulong Kalumpit, 42-40. Out of bounds, bola ng Marilao. Joaquin. Now to Harvey for the lead. Strong on that one. Belmonte secures the rebound. Quick pass. EJ now will defend. Ganda naman nun. Pinakagat lang yung depensa ni EJ Cruz. Resulting to a wide open deuce from Keith Baroga. Back to a 4-point game. Marvin against Christian. Quick cross. Stop and pop. Bitin. Belmonte for the rebound. Nako play. Ang bilis naman. Mag-isip dito ni Marvin Raimundo. Going for that swipe. Wide open shot from EJ Cruz. Trying to stop the momentum of Kalumpit. Tumukol si Wico. Wala. Rebound secured by EJ. Now back again to Harvey. Harvey Raimundo. Kinukuha siya dito ni Belmonte. Now at the post against Christian Cruz. Turn around, top shot. Raimundo drills that deuce. Going para kay number 31. There's the help. Trying to trap Maliwat. Shano will fire. Bang! Christian Cruz from deep. Tatlo na ulit para sa koponan ng Marilao. Marvin Raimundo. Under 3 minutes left to play. Feeding Harvey Raimundo inside the paint. Recognizing that mismatch against Mr. Chano Cruz. One-on-one in the paint. Easy basket from Harvey Raimundo. Naiwanan ng bahagya. Nasundutan. Uy, out of bounds dito. Si Joaquin Nazareno. Bola ng sulong kalumpit. 15 on the shot clock of sulong kalumpit. Belmonte against EJ. Switch against Dagamo, Denver. Kumuha ng buwelo dito si Mark Hill. Belmonte will pump fake. Pass to number 55. Wico turns. Naipit sa depensa. Pinilit yung tira. Mukhang wala. Nakakuha ni number. Out of bounds. Empty on that one. Ang sulong kalumpit. Great defensive stop from Marilao Gems. 2 minuto. 26 na segundo para dito sa ating ikalawang yugto. Ilalabas na muna si Christian Cruz. Rueda magbabalik. Marvin Raimundo. There's the back screen. Top shot. Marvin. No good. AJ Wico now against Harvey Raimundo. Hang time is there but no finish from Mr. Wico. Harvey on the other end. Pass to Marvin. Ayun na. Nagbogo for 2. Too slow on that transition defense ang koponan ng kalumpit. Balik na sa Marilao ang kalamangan. 48-47. Harvey against James Maliwat. Kicks it out. Kit Baroga. Wala. Degamo with the rebound. Tapon kaya nagbogu. Jersey number 26. Pass to Raimundo. Wide open Harvey. Back to Marvin. Free throw line. Jumper for Marvin Raimundo. Nakakapagod pala maging commentator sa mga liga. Woo! AJ. James for the tie. Wala. Tapikan ng bola. Quick pass from Ralph Rueda inside to Kit Baroga. Bilis ng survey na yon ni Mr. Ralph Rueda. Cross, step back, long 2. Wala. Rebound for Joaquin Nazareno. There's another putback for Marilao Gems. Number 99, Joaquin Nazareno. Big shoutouts to Moonlight. Under a minute left to play. Big shoutouts to our 14K FB Live viewers. Foul called by our referee against number 99, Joaquin Nazareno. Penalty ang Marilao. Free throws to para kay Kit Baroga of sulong kalumpit.
Unsportsmanlike foul.
Warningan dito si Kio Baroga of sulong kalumpit and Harvey Raimundo for unsportsmanlike behavior. 2 free throws para kay Kit Baroga. Wala yung una dito ni number 18.
Last throw for number 18, Kit Baroga.
Walang nailaglag doon si Kit Baroga. Securing the rebound there was Amir Mateo of Marilao. Harvey against Belmonte. Tough shot, tough angle, but fouled. Number 26, Kio Baroga. Second personal foul against number 26 of sulong kalumpit, Kio Baroga.
2 shots for
2 free throws so para kay Harvey Raimundo.
Makes his first. Last throw for Harvey Raimundo.
Two out of 2 from Harvey Raimundo. The lead is up to 5 for Marilao. Under a minute left to play. Kito Kiyo. Anagbogo defending Kiyo Baroga. Number 26. Looking for James Belmonte. Belmonte. 12 seconds. Mark Hill Belmonte. Sino ba? James Belmonte, player pala na may kawayan yon. Number 13 Belmonte, Mark Hill. Against EJ Cruz. Tight pass underneath. Out of bounds doon si Mark Anagbogo. Bola pa rin ng sulong kalumpit.
7-second shot clock. 7 to shoot.
Baseline inbound from number 26, Kiyo Baroga. Defending the inbound passes, Mark Anagbogo. Kit to Wico with 4 seconds left to shoot. Nabitawan ni Wico. Mukhang mapuputukan ang kupunan ng kalumpit. To beat the buzzer, wala. On that outlet, Harvey Raimundo with 15 seconds to play. Dito sa ating first half. 10 seconds.
10 to shoot.
Jab step out of bounds. Nine seconds. Great hustle from Mr. Harvey Raimundo. 2 seconds. Baroga. No good. Back to the game tayo para dito sa second half ng game ng ating finals. Sulong kalumpit kontra Marilao Gems. No good there from AJ Wico. Marvin Raimundo. Pass to Mateo Amir. Denver wide open. Elbow jumper, no good. Rebound secured by Baroga. Kito running AJ Wico. Good on the finish there. AJ Wico mustig his way against Mr. Mark Anagbogo. Losing his balance there was Amir Mateo. Out of bounds, ball will stay for Marilao Gems. Shoutouts, Coach Ryan Legaspi. Harvey Raimundo will inbound. Degamo, quick pass to Anagbogo. 8 seconds to shoot for Mark Anagbogo. He'll fire a 3. Anagbogo wala. Saving that ball. Marvin quick on the step back deuce. Ano? Ang nakakita ng siwang dito si Marvin Raimundo, talagang pinupukol yung bola para sa Marilao. Back to a 7-point game. AJ Wico crossing up Anagbogo. Fires a jumper. Wala. Harvey secures the rebound. Raimundo blows by the defense of Wico. Fouled by number 55.
Number 55, pushing foul on Wico. That is the second forcing foul for the team. Substitution
Pangalawa dito ni AJ Wico.
for number 26.
Two free throws. First one good for Harvey Raimundo. Two out of two, largest lead of the game for Marilao Gems at 9. 60-51. Ralph Rueda together with Kit Baroga on that screen. Switch against Degamo. Jumper from Ralph. No good. Harvey secures the rebound against Kit Baroga. Picked up by AJ. Ganda naman nun. Raimundo connection. Harvey to Marvin. Parang magkapatid. 11-point game na para sa Marilao Gems. dito sa ating third quarter. Chano on the handoff to number 13, Markel Belmonte. Sa lubong ng depensa ni Harvey. Jumper from Markel, backing that one home was Markel Belmonte. Pamatay sunog mula dito sa koponan ng Sulong Kalumpit. Raimundo against Christian Cruz. Tough angle, no good. Belmonte quick on that outlet. Sa labas, masyadong malakas from Mark Belmonte. Out of bounds from Mark Hill. Turnover from from Kasulong Kalumpit. EJ, bagsak dito si Wico. Sagasa ni EJ Cruz. Jumper from Chano. Tungkel. EJ secures the rebound. 11-point lead for Marilao. Raimundo. Ralph isolated against Marvin. Pagkakahirap ng tira ni Marvin, but there is the Gamonogo on the putback. Amir Mateo. Huli ka ni AJ. Offensive foul called against Amir Mateo.
Offensive foul on number 7. Second personal foul.
Six minutes and 30 seconds. Fight at the low post. Belmonte against Mr. Mateo. 12 seconds to shoot for Mark Hill. Great defense from Amir Mateo. Harvey Raimundo kontra number 10 and number 11. Bagsak dito si Harvey. Tapon dito kay EJ Cruz kontra Christian. Dire-diretso na naman si EJ! EJ Cruz for 2. The Karate Kid para sa Marilao. Six minutes left to play. 13-point game na for the defending champs. Ralph behind the back. Loses the grip. James corner. Long 2. Wala. Fight for the rebound. There's a deflection. EJ Cruz gets the rebound. Harvey Calmado against Chano. Raimundo pilit sinusungkitan dito ni Christian. 10 seconds on the shot clock for Marvin. Screen and roll action. There's the spin and the deuce. No good. Put back from Marvin Raimundo. Timeout dito si Coach Makoy Fajardo ng 15-point lead for Marilao. Tignan natin kung paano susolusyonan to ni Coach Makoy Fajardo and the rest of the Sulong Kalumpit. Isolated dito si Mark Hill kontra EJ. He'll make his move. Tries to finger roll that one. Tapek ni Harvey para kay number 23. Empty possession again. From the side of Sulong Kalumpit, Raimundo, no look pass. CJ Javier for 2. Ano ba yung mga pasa na yon from Mr. Raimundo? Now a 17-point ball game for the defending champs. Dito sa game 1 ng ating finals, Gio, bang! Banging that 3 home. Gio Baroga from deep. Very much needed 3. Wala doon kay Gio Baroga ng Sulong Kalumpit. Naibaba nila to sa 14. Screen ni Javier. Cutting Raimundo! Dukot na dukot against Markel Belmonte! Ano? Marvin Raimundo for 2. Gio with a cross. Now to James Maliwan. Pumipiyok na ako. Number 11. Montalvo Kent. To Baroga. Gio. Ang pakataas. Answering back was Gio Baroga. Ang bilis ng sagot doon ni Gio Baroga ng Sulong Kalumpit. Christian picking up Harvey Raimundo. Spin! Step Cruz there! Punishing the interior defense of Sulong Kalumpit. Is Marvin and Marilao Gems. Sagasa kung sagasa ang mga nakapik ng Marilao. 12 seconds for Mark Hill. He'll fire a 3. Wala. Rebound secured by Harvey Raimundo. 3 minutes and 10 seconds left to play. Now Marvin. EJ penetrates. Nasundutan. Ball will stay for Team Marilao. 7 on the shot clock of Marilao Gems. Big shoutouts to Gilier Ampil, ang muse ng Bounty. Shoutout sa'yo. Muse ng Bounty. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Joaquin Nazareno fires the deuce. Wala. Javier. Huli ka ni Montalvo. Baroga against Nazareno. Spin. Dish. Cruz. Chan over 2. Labing-apat pa rin para sa Marilao Gems. 74-60 in this third quarter with 2 minutes and 30 seconds left to play. Harvey Raimundo blows by the defense. Pinoy step, no good that time from Mr. Raimundo. Napika ng bola, nakakuha ni Maliwat. James. Blocking foul kontra dito kay Nazareno Joaquin.
Blocking foul on number 99, Nazareno. 4 personal foul. Second team foul for Marilao.
Apat na dito si Joaquin Nazareno ng Marilao Gems. He'll be subbed out. Magbabalik si Anagbogo at Degamo, replacing CJ Javier and Joaquin Nazareno. Together with EJ Cruz. Amir Mateo is also back. Raimundo Brothers, Degamo, Mark Anagbogo, and Amir Mateo. Mark Belmonte. Fouled by Denver Degamo.
Number 4, pushing foul. 13. Third personal foul. 13 foul.
Third personal foul against Denver Degamo. Third team foul for Marilao Gems. Wala yung unang free throw dito ni Mark Hill Belmonte ng Sulong Kalumpit. Secures the second. 13-point lead for Marilao. Mark to Garcia. Jasper settles for a jumper. Jasper Garcia for 2. Under 2 minutes left in this third quarter. Lead is back up to 15. Kio Baroga connecting with Christian. Fires a deuce in and out there from Chano. Foul kontra kay Kio Baroga. Second team foul yon ng Sulong Kalumpit. Pangatlo ni Kio Baroga. Third personal foul against Kio Baroga of Sulong Kalumpit. G. Ford Francisco to Mark Anagbogu. Now Jasper, top shot. Jasper could not drain that too. Montalvo on the run. Kent against Anagbogu, bitin but fouled by Mark Anagbogu. A minute and 23 seconds left to play. First personal foul yon ni Mark Anagbogo of Marilao Gems. Free throws of Kent Montalvo. Wala yung unang tira ni Kent. Second one good for Kent Montalvo, number 20 of Sulong Kalumpit. Pakita dito ni G. Ford Francisco. Ball stolen by Christian Cruz. Mark Belmonte on the run. Zigzags inside. Basket is there from Mark Belmonte. end-to-end drive. 1 minute left to play. Down by a dozen. Ang sulong kalumpit. G4 to Denver. Jasper with 16 seconds to shoot. Nakaw pabalik dito ni Jasper. Pasa kay Anagbogu. Hellfire. Wala. Baroga. Another foul on Marilao. Penalty dito. Ang kabanan ng Marilao Gems. Second personal foul on Mark Anagbogu.
Second personal foul. Penalty. Isang magandang umaga. Pula na kayo. Parokas Ayas 12.
Happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga nanay. Alas 12 na ng ating gabi.
Happy Mother's Day sa mga tatay na nanay.
Wala yung una ni Kiyo. Pangalawa laglag para kay number 26. Denver jumper. Maliwat James to running Kent Montalvo sinausaw. Wala. Out of bounds. Belated happy birthday sa panganay ni Coach Ryan Legaspi, Eliza Legaspi at baby Queen Natalie Legaspi. Love, Daddy Ryan Legaspi. Happy birthday. From ACBL Makata Cup Season 3. 12 seconds to shoot from Markel Belmonte. Tough jumper from Markel. Trains the deuce. Labing isa na lang. Asyam na lang ang kalamangan ng Marilao. 76-67. Francisco G4 trap. Jasper with 8 seconds. Spin. Jumper. Jasper. Basket is there for Jasper Garcia. Gets the shooter's roll. Deflected. 2 seconds. Mid-air. End of our third. Game 1 ng ating finals. Lamang ng 11 kubunan ng Marilao. Anagbogu offensive rebound. All away jumper. Mark Anagbogu wala. Kent Montalvo to secure the board for sulong kalumpit. Reaching was Amir. Nasundo ni Anagbogu. Maliwat kontra Raimundo. Jumper. Baskets there from number 31. Christian Bitin. Rebound secured by Mark Anagbogu. 13-point lead ulit for the side of Marilao. 80-67. G4 Francisco looking to attack. No call from the ref. Offensive rebound for Degamo. Raimundo jumper again. Marvin Raimundo for 2. Back-to-back hits from Marvin Raimundo. James maliwat. Masyadong mabilis si James. Raimundo again on the jumper. Not this time from number 31. Mark Hill. Sidestep. Spring roll from number 13. Francisco. Baseline, left-handed, no good. Wala pa rin from Denver. Fight for the board. G-Ford was pushed by James Maliwat. Substitution. G-Ford lalabas. Magbabalik dito si Harvey at Nazareno Joaquin. Pati na rin si EJ Cruz. Marvin cuts inside. Grabe yung connection ng magkapatid. 15-point lead again for Marilao Gems. 84-69. Mark Hill. To Kent Montalvo. Wala. Nagagawa niya magkakampi sa ibabaw. EJ Cruz getting that rebound against Kent Montalvo. EJ to Harvey. 10 to shoot for Harvey Raimundo. From way beyond. Bang! Harvey Raimundo from deep. Timeout call by Coach McCoy Fajardo. Back to the game tayo. Hawak ni Belmonte yung bola. 7 seconds to shoot. Kit Baroga. Wala. Rebound for Marvin Raimundo. Another empty possession from Sulong Kalumpit. Reaching is Kio. Nilusutan lang ni Harvey. Kicks it out. EJ Cruz pump fake. Catch and shoot. Wala. Fight for the rebound. Belmonte secures the board. Deflected by Cruz, out of bounds, and the ball will stay for Sulong Kalumpit. Belmonte could not hit. Baroga na sundutan. Buti nando si Gio. Belmonte mark. Foul against EJ Cruz.
Foul on number 20. Second personal foul on EJ Cruz. Second team foul for Manila.
Belmonte from deep. Wala pa rin.
Oy! Oy! Huling-huli yun. Huling-huli yun. Huling-huli yun, ha? Pipi ko na yung kulupit.
Unsportsmanlike foul against number 26. Ano, that was number 26. Ibang Baroga yung inans po. Teka lang. Hintayin natin yung official decision. That was against number 18, Keith Baroga, and sportsmanlike foul. 2 free throws for number 31 and ball possession for Marilao. One out of 2, bola pa ng Marilao. (88-69), 19 na to for Team Marilao. EJ to a cutting Harvey, block, may kit pero nakuha pa rin ni Harvey. Raimundo against 2 Baroga. Nazareno trapped in the corner. EJ fakes, penetrates, loses the grip on the leather, diving for that ball. Was Kio, huli ka ni Belmonte. Out of bounds. Shot clock violation. Keith Baroga and Harvey Raimundo having a talk with each other. Kiyo denied by Degamo. Nazareno sa kabila. Nazareno over 2. 21-point lead for Marilao Gems. No good from AJ Wico. 5 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Marvin to EJ. Against Christian. EJ. Tapon sa ibabaw. Napadive na lang doon si EJ. Basket secured by Marvin Raimundo. Blowout lead. Marvin. Hands of Midas. Off the screen. Jumper bitin from Chano. 23 para dito sa koponan ng Marilao. Marami nang nag-uuwian dito sa KB Gymnasium. Raimundo against Baroga. Step back, step through. Degamo wala. But there is Raimundo for the putback. 25-point lead. Any time was called by Team Kalumpit. 4 minutes and 38 seconds left to play. 25-point lead for Marilao. 94-6. Chano to Mark Hill. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Belmonte to Chano. Long two. Chano wala. Rebound secured by Joaquin Nazareno. Denver to EJ. Denver for two. Wala. Harvey tries to tip that ball back in. There's Baroga to secure the rebound. Now number 10. Shano Cruz to Kiyo. Fouled by EJ Cruz.
Number 20. It's a Cruz, third personal foul. 13 foul from the left.
Third personal foul of EJ Cruz.
17-second shot clock.
Wico wala pa rin. A pick ni Harvey para kay Denver Degamo. Alang mahulog sa mga tira ng Kalumpit. 8-second violation. Turnover from Marilao. Shano for two. The birthday boy. Happy birthday sa'yo, Christian Cruz ng Sulong Kalumpit. EJ to Denver. Pamarangko kontra Baroga. Pamarangko for two. Big shoutouts to Ma'am Lizette Gatchalian, ang asawa ni Kuya J. Villavicencio. Iyon. Big shoutouts ulit sa Pipaw for this quality production. Ganda ng ating prod. Big thanks to Pipaw. (96-71), 25-point lead. AJ Wico for 2. Happy birthday to Tony Rose Baita. Happy birthday sa'yo, Tony Rose Baita from ACBL Makataka Season 3. 96-73. 2 minutes, 25 left to play. Marvin Raimundo to Harvey Raimundo. Basket good for Harvey Raimundo. 98-73. Now to Belmonte, Mark Hill. Against the defense of EJ. Well, back his way against EJ. Shano from the bang! 3 from number 10. Last 2-minute mark tayo ng ating ball game. 22-point game. With not a lot of time remaining for Sulong Kalumpit. AJ defending Harvey. Harvey drives. Napasa kamay ni Pamarangco. Januel Pamarangco. 10 seconds to shoot. Nako play. Foul against Pamarangco. Warning for penalty Marilao. First personal foul yun ni Januel. Pamarangco secures the rebound. A minute and 33 seconds left to play. Maluwag na dito sa KB Gymnasium. Pwede na kayong magpunta. Kung sa mga hindi nakapasok kanina, pumunta na kayo dito sa KB Gymnasium. Marami nang pwedeng upuan. Raimundo! Wala. Shoutout sa'yo, Risha May Enriquez. Ang mukha ng Santa Rosa. Marilao, Bulacan. 20-point lead with 1 minute left to play. Palakpakan na para sa kupunan ng Marilao Gems. Harvey Raimundo. From D. Wala. Pamarangco puts it back. I think that is it. Leo Baroga for 2. Pamarangco against Baroga and Belmonte. Beach called against Belmonte. What a win for Marilao Gems. Ang ganda ng first half. Lumobo ng second half for Marilao. Taking this game 1 of our best of 3 finals to lead the series 1-0. Still undefeated ang campaign dito ng Marilao Gems sa ating ACBL Makata Cup Season 3. Game 1 win for Marilao Gems. 100-80 is our final score. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin ngayong gabi.